Welcome to this short tutorial in which I will show you how to work with the Navigation Center in Standard Accounts by Hansaworld. The Navigation Center is a central control panel in Standard Accounts. If you would like more details about the features you can activate from the Navigation Center, please refer to our more advanced videos. When you start your Standard Accounts app, the Navigation Center will appear in the center of the screen. You will use the buttons in the Navigation Center to navigate to different parts of the program. Most operations in Standard Accounts can be executed in three different ways: selecting a button in the Navigation Center, using a keyboard command. Here I will select a contact and duplicate it by using Command Y, selecting an option from a menu. Use the method you feel most comfortable with. In the beginning, you may find it easiest to select from menus from the Navigation Center, but as you become used to the program, you will find the keyboard commands faster to work with. You can bring the Navigation Center to the front at any time by choosing Navigation Center from the File menu, or using the keyboard command Command M. The buttons in the Navigation Center are arranged into two sections. Section 1, Company. The Company section contains the Marketplace button. Select this button when you need to subscribe to new modules and functions, adding them to your Standard Accounts base package. You will be able to subscribe to new modules and functions on a monthly, quarterly, or annual basis. When you subscribe to additional modules, you will see a module button next to the Marketplace. This button allows you to navigate between modules. If you prefer to use a keyboard, use the Command 0 shortcut. Section 2, Routines. Selecting any of the buttons in the Routines section will open a list. From the list, choose the option you need by selecting it. The options in the list will vary depending on the module that you are. Reports. Select this button or press Command R to produce reports. Forms. Use this button or Command D when you want to print documents intended for external use, such as invoices. Settings. This button or the Command S shortcut allows you to set the preferences in each module. Before you start working in a new module, you should check its settings, since its functions depend on the settings being correct. For example, you should set up your payment terms before you can start entering invoices. Routines. Here, you can import and export data to and from the system, for example, when backing up and restoring your database. Online support. This button will open the Standard Accounts Support website in your default web browser. This page gives you access to the Standard Accounts FAQ, forum, tutorial videos, and user guides. Company. Select this button or use the shortcut Command O when you have more than one company in the database, when you need to change the company you are working in. Registers. Select this button to open the list of registers. Each module has its own set of registers, and each register contains information of a particular type. For example, all information about customers and vendors is stored in the Contacts register. If you want to use a keyboard to open registers, use Command 1 for the first register in the module you are in, Command 2 for the second one, and so on. Shortcuts for creating new records. At the bottom of Routine section, there is a button for every register belonging to that module. Clicking on one of these, for example on the plus invoice button, will allow you to create a new invoice directly without having to select the registers button, then invoices, and then new invoices from the Create menu. Log in as a different user. Select the key button at the top of the Navigation Center if you need to log in as a different user. For example, if you are sitting at your colleague's desk. Personal Desktop. The Personal Desktop allows you to gather your most used registers, reports, or external documents, so that you can always get to them quickly and easily. You can drag and drop items to the Personal Desktop and then open them by selecting them from there. Operations menu. The Operations menu gives you the options to change your password, to add files to, or download them from the Personal Desktop, and to edit the link comments of anything on your Personal Desktop. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions about this or any other functionality in Standard Accounts, please watch our other tutorials, visit our forum, or read our facts on our website www.standard-accounts.com.